Are you ready to enhance your governance and management of enterprise IT skills and achieve Cobit 2019 Foundation certification success? Introducing the Cobit 2019 Foundation practice tests, expertly developed by the renowned Mr. Elyes Grar from Yellomind to help you excel. These practice tests are your ultimate preparation tool for mastering the Cobit 2019 Foundation certification exam. Designed to align closely with the official exam structure, they enable you to assess your understanding, identify knowledge gaps, and build the confidence needed to succeed on exam day. The Cobit 2019 Foundation certification is an essential step in developing a solid understanding of enterprise governance of IT, equipping you with the framework and principles to create value and optimize performance within your organization. Don't miss this opportunity to solidify your knowledge and advance your career. Enroll today and start your journey to Cobit 2019 Foundation certification success.